Right, so today I'll be telling you how to add the degree symbol in MS Word. So if you open up your child's notebook, math notebook, then you may see that they write 25 degrees Celsius like this. Now the question is, can we too do the same on MS Word? So all you gotta do is first open up MS Word. So as you can see, I've started it. So now open up a blank document. Okay. So open up a blank document. Over here, if you see, you can type on 25 degree Celsius. Okay, but we don't want that, do we? We want to make the sign. Okay, so we want to get this degree symbol right here, over here. Now how do we do that? It's pretty simple, but at the beginning you'll have to follow these instructions carefully. So on your keyboard, okay, next to the space bar on the left side, there's a key called Alt. Just click on it and leave it. Okay, so now you can see all these have come up. Then you click on the I key and then click on S. So when you do that, the symbol menu opens up in front of you. So initially the normal text font would be selected. Okay, so what you have to do is click on this arrow right next to font and scroll down to the S section, which is right here. Over here, scroll a bit more down, and somewhere near the end you'll find the option called symbol. So just select the font symbol. So now here we've got an option of symbols. So we just okay, sorry, one second. Yeah, so now here we just want to go down a bit. Okay, so go down until you see these few boxes in front of you. So after doing that, you'll see the down arrow. Right next to it you can find our degree symbol. Now don't click on insert, so just click on shortcut key. So now over here we'll have to type in a shortcut key. So we can choose Alt 6 for the same. Okay, so after clicking Alt 6, we can click on assign and then close it and close this. So now the next time you type it, 25 Alt 6 degree Celsius. So this is going to be 25 degrees Celsius and it's going to look like this. Now we can make this a bold font. So this is how it will look. So we can write temperature. We can give Alt 6 Celsius. Okay, and then we can write it's 25 Alt 6 degrees Celsius. So this is how you write the degree symbol on MS Word. Now if you want to write the same thing in Fahrenheit, then this is what you'll do. Temperature space Alt 6 F, and so I'll just write 25 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is going to be 77 degree Fahrenheit. So this is how you can write, you can get the degree symbol in Word. Now all that you gotta do is type in any shortcut that you want to get the degree symbol and make sure it is not being used by any other symbol. Okay, so make sure it's not being used by any other symbol, and you can just assign a shortcut and use it whenever you want. So as I said, please subscribe, like and share the video if this really helped you, and you'll be getting more notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching the video. Bye guys.